Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Dragon's Breath by Michael Gordon. George's pet dragon is ever so neat. Joe loves to have fun and loves to eat. The two get well whenever they play, but problems arise at the end of the day. Joe munches on snacks until time for bed and thinks brushing teeth is something to dread. Don't like it, don't need it. It's too fun. It's no fun. No way. So poor George is stuck at the end of the day. The smell in the room is incredibly strong. George tenderly says, "Joe, I know what's wrong, but your breath has become seriously rotten. Did you eat bad cheese and somehow forgotten?" He said in the jest, but that's what he thinks. "You hurt my feelings. Your joke is what stinks." "Sorry," George says. "It's just that I care. When Mom tucks us in bed, I don't want her scared." Joe doesn't believe that his teeth could be clean till a day later, when they start turning green. Whenever the boys play, George laughs and smiles, but poor Joe keeps his mouth closed all the while. Joe feels bad about the horrible sight, so George decides to try something new at that night. He wants to show Joe that brushing is fun. To succeed, Joe has to win the competition. Joe loves to compete, so he's sure to try. George feels a bit sad that he has to be sly, but he knows Joe's unhappy the smell is so bad. Joe's taking the house smelliest title from Dad. At that night, George turns bedtime into a race. The first to clean his teeth and wash his face will choose bedtime stories for the whole week. Joe is excited but too embarrassed to speak. The race starts, and George makes sure not to win. Joe finishes and gives a huge crocodile grin. "That was fun," he says. "My teeth are so clean." "Your teeth sparkle," says George, "and have a white sheen." "I've missed your smiles, Joe, and your chatter too. Cleaning teeth can be fun, a great thing to do. Good hygiene is important." Joe finally sees. "I'm the best teeth cleaner, he cheers, and George agrees. So this is a photo of Michael Gordon, or maybe that's Michael Gordon. Here's the photo, and here's the contact. Here's some other books, award-winning books by Michael Gordon. Elephants Cannot Sleep, Little Girl's Daddy, The Goodnight Kiss, and My Big Brother. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!